Well guys, I don't know what's going on. This camera is playing absolute silly buggers. I'll try again. And I stuck the pry bar through my finger trying to put the reaction plate in last night. Everyone people saying it's your own fault, you were pissed. Well, I was, but I didn't feel the pain. So today I got the fuel tank out, thinking I would have a little quick go at the fuel tank, which I have been doing. The top, I painted the underneath, I flaked the paint off, and I painted the bottom. The top of it is somewhat different. And inside, it seems to have a coating of what can only be described as sort of oily, greasy like slime, because my favourite cleaning fluid, which I would recommend for anybody who is having problems with fuel tanks, or rust in particular, is this. The best product on the market for spraying in the fuel tank, leave it in the fuel tank, leave it long enough. Coca-Cola is good, but the problem is it makes your tank sweet. So that works really well, and I've done loads of tanks with it and it seems to be good. So there's some in there sloshing about as we speak, but it's, if you spray the stuff directly onto the stuff, it brings it off, but if you like swim it around, it's not agitating enough. So I think I'm going to have to go to the jet wash and give it a cold carture, a £1.50, and if I give it one of those, I think I can blow most of that crap out of that tank. Now, there's only other problem, is the sender unit. Now the sender unit and the pickup pipe are both really badly corroded. And the sender unit, the screws are fighting me to come out. But they will come out, because I'm going to another go at them, once I've had a bit more enthusiasm. So my main aim at the minute is get that cleaned up, because, and this is just for the anybody who really is interested, I'm going to pick you up, take you over here. The engine's back in. It's all back connected. And underneath here, for all the people who said, bleh, you could say, bleh, you're right. That is in. That's in. It's in. Clutch is in. And I have a clutch. Or I certainly have a release on the clutch. And the reaction plate is in. I've still got 2 more bolts to get in, but that'll be going when I lift it up in the air to test for the windscreen. But at the back here, no doubt for the average enthusiast, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. That bloody thing up there, that stupid handbrake compensator. I broke the adjuster trying to do it. And I was so enthusiastic at the back axle, and I didn't actually sort that out. So I've got a bit of a problem. We're having a lot of flaking off of that stuff we put on. We sprayed a load of like underseal, oh, but it's old and it's all coming off. So there's going to be some more issues, I know that. But I'm not too worried, because like I said, for the amount of miles it's going to do, I think it's not really going to matter, is it? But yeah, so we have actually sort of got a long way into it, and it's not too far away from being a sort of, it's all silly little things that just take ages to do, which are things that are really, really, really depressing to do. And you know, I'm going to do them obviously, but it's hard on your own, especially if you haven't got a lot of enthusiasm. So we will say that pretty good up to now. And the radius arm cups, well, I'm a bit worried about them, but they're going to go on, they will be fine. Brought shelf bolts, obviously a little bit tight up under here, we have to beat that down to get it to clear. Well, it's not too worried, because I've got all that 2x1 box section threaded inside of that and welded, so I'm hoping that that'll hold it. Exhaust system, on the other hand, is over there. Because we got all the same side pipes for the Jaguar system, I was going to check and see which is the cheapest. I'll use that 6 branch, which means I've still got to put a swerve in and bring down the centre, because that's coming out straight. But I've got another use for it, and that is the bane of my life sitting over there. Look, see that? Bugging R380. Anyway, so this one in here now is a good one, we hope. So coming out now, and I'm going to say to you guys that I hope you enjoyed that. If you didn't, then don't look, close your eyes. Oh, and I was sort of messing with the distributors and messing with ideas, and I bought a distributor, brand new from AccuSpark, so that's sort of solved that problem. So electrical, obviously, yeah, we got some wiring issues to do, and then we've got like a load of grinder-thon to do, and then we have got a cacathon, which is going to be really, really quite a bloody big job, which I'm not looking forward to, because there'll be dust everywhere. So at the moment, I just don't want to be doing it in here. So fuel tank, as you can see, not that bad. A little bit crap, but if you can see in there, you see that? It will come out. You scrape it, it comes off, and it's bare metal. So, buggered if I'm going to buy a bloody fuel tank. So, that was going to be saved for the minute. As I said, guys, we're getting there, like British Rail. Talk to you soon, mate. Bye.